Hey, what's up guys? Mikel Bennett here, the Credit Bull, and today I want to talk to you about factually disputing negative items on your credit report. Now, you might have tried to dispute items on your credit report and it came back verified. Then it might be time for you to step your game up and actually factually dispute these items on your credit report. And how do you do this, right? Well, number one, you need to have your credit report pulled up from somewhere like Identity IQ, which you can do for $1, right? If you don't have that link, make sure you hit me in my DMs. I'll get you the link to get that for $1. Now, once you have this credit report pulled up, you're going to see your credit report on each of the 3 bureaus, right? And you're going to be able to see the open dates, the date of last activity, your high limit or your credit limit, the most you spent on the credit report on the credit card. You're going to see all of that, right, across each of the 3 bureaus. And this has to be consistent across the 3 bureaus. So what you'll see a lot of times is the date of last activity might be different, or the date of last payment, or the date opened, or the credit high might be different across the 3 bureaus. And that's against the law because they're reporting inaccurate information on your credit report. And by law, if they're reporting anything inaccurate on your credit report, you can get it removed, right? So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm actually jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what one of these credit reports look like and how to actually factually dispute negative items on your credit report. Alright guys, real quick, I'm looking here at a collection account and I'm going to briefly go over how I would factually dispute this account, right? Looking for inconsistencies across the 3 bureaus. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the account number. They're all the same, but everything has to be consistent across all 3 bureaus, right? So the first thing that I can see that is inconsistent is the date opened. Right here it says 11/20/2016. Over here it says 11/01/2016. This is a clear violation of inconsistency. Another thing that you want to look out for is amount past due. No collection should ever have an amount past due. Also, the date last active is something that you definitely want to look out for, right? If you look here, it says 12/17/2020, but over here it says 11/01/2016. This is a clear violation. What they call this is redating or re-aging, right? They want to try to re-age this account so that they can try to collect more money off of you, even though legally they're only allowed to do so for up to 7 years. A lot of times collection agencies will try to sneak in and re-age the account so that they can keep trying to pursue you for years and years. They're predators, right? Basically, they're not allowed to do this, but if you don't know this information, you would never know. So basically what I would do is I would send in a letter to the bureaus pointing out this inconsistency and have it removed. So if you have any negative collections or anything on your account, make sure that you get in touch with me so we can get them removed. Now real quick, now that I gave you that game, I hope that it really helped you understand how to factually dispute items on your credit report so that you can get more accounts removed. And if you need any help removing negative accounts off of your credit report, make sure that you click that link in my bio and I'm going to get you right.